Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your system. Make sure Roblox is closed, then set the game to full screen when you next launch it. Once done, open your GPU control app, NVIDIA control panel, or AMD Radeon settings, and run it as administrator so changes apply cleanly. You do this because drivers override application frame timing, and forcing vertical sync there avoids in-game inconsistencies. Now locate the Program Settings or Profiles section. We'll add Roblox Player Beta, EXE as the program to target. With Roblox Player Beta, EXE selected, set vertical sync to on, or use adaptive/enhanced if you want reduced input lag when FPS monitor HC. You do this because the GPU will cap frames to your display's refresh, eliminating screen tearing. Make sure the profile uses the preferred GPU and that the display refresh rate matches the monitor. 60, 144, 240 HC to avoid micro-stuttering. Apply the profile, then close the control app. These settings persist until you change them. Now launch Roblox and enter a scene with motion to verify Vsync. Look for smooth, tear-free frames. If you still see tearing, make sure Roblox is running in exclusive full screen. Some borderless modes bypass driver Vsync. Next, try enabling triple buffering or an enhanced sync option in the GPU panel to smooth frame pacing. If problems persist, update your GPU drivers, restart the PC, and retest. Doing so resolves driver caching issues and ensures the new profile is active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.